Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about how I would invest $1,200. Recently, Senate approved the $2 trillion economic stimulus bill, which means you may receive $1,200 if you meet the income criteria. If I qualified for this payout, I would invest in stocks for the long term because that is a passive way to generate income. First, I would invest in Vanguard SP 500 ETF, VOO. This is 500 largest US companies, and this is diversified in various sectors, and I feel like this is a good way to get exposure to the market. And it's also in different sectors from technology, healthcare, financials, industrials, energy, consumer staples, consumer cyclical. So it's a wide array of different sectors and companies. And I feel like this is good, diversified exposure at a very low expense ratio. And the cost of one share of Vanguard S&P 500 ETF is $226.54. And I would buy 3 shares of this, which would equal to $679.62. Next is Vanguard Information Technology ETF, ticker symbol VGT. This is very good diversified exposure to the technology sector, and some of the large companies under this ETF is Apple, Microsoft, Visa, just to name a few companies. And these are very high growth, high potential upside in the long term. And one share is $204.50. I would buy 2 shares of this, which would equal to $409. Last but not least is I would buy Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Now, Amazon is an e-commerce company, and I think this would continue to do very well in the long term, considering that 50% of the online sales goes to Amazon, and one share is equal to $1,892, which sounds very expensive, but I would buy fractional shares. So I would buy about $113 of Amazon, which equals to about 6% of one share. And that would put me at a total of $1,200 if I buy, as I mentioned, 3 shares of VOO, 2 shares of VGT, and 6% or $113 of Amazon. And that would put me at a total of almost $1,200, $1,200 if I met the qualified, if I qualified for the payout from the stimulus bill. So that's all for this video. What are you gonna buy with your $1,200, or how are you gonna spend it? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.